Now, you might be playing Valorant right now and you're wondering why is your FPS stuck on 60? Well, there are a few things or a few settings that you may want to check here. First things first is you want to guarantee that your refresh rate is good. So if your refresh rate is stuck on 60, well, you won't be able to use higher FPS. So all you need to do is you want to go and just go to your desktop here, right click on the empty space, and you want to go and access the option that says display settings. Now in here, what we need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit. You want to look for the option here that says advanced display. And you want to look for your monitor. Now you want to make sure that you choose the monitor that you want to edit. Like for example, I have this display 2 that I want to edit. And in here, you want to choose your refresh rate. And you want to change this to a different one. Like for example, change this to 75 to have a higher refresh rate for your PC or for your game here. Now, once we've done that, next thing that you want to do is you want to change a few settings inside the game itself. So in this case, you want to go open up Valorant here. You want to go to your settings, go to video, and in here you want to go to general, and you want to go and turn off the following. Now, if you do see the limit FPS on battery here, you want to make sure that it's actually set to off. Now, from here, you want to limit the FPS, limit FPS in menu. You can go and just turn this off as well. Now, limit FPS in background, turn it off if you want to as well. And you have the limit FPS always. Now, I would recommend you to turn this off. Now, from here, you want to go and just basically change a few things. Like, for example, the max FPS on your battery. So if you're using your battery, this is the max FPS that you're able to utilize. So if you want to increase this, like set this to a different value. Like if you want to set this to 120, go ahead and do that. For max FPS always here, you could go and just change this to, let's just say 120 as well if you want. And from here, you could go and just click on close settings here to save your changes. But yeah, so in this case, once you've done that, see if that helps. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.